Welcome all. This is our lecture 2, and in this lecture we will learn about text formatting. What is text formatting? As when you have used MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, etc., as you are seeing some text on the screen also as well. These are all text, and if we format it, like change the color, change the size, change the face of these text, or apply some extra information to this text, that the normal text will change its shape, then that's called text formatting. In HTML we have many tags to format our tags. So let's start our lecture today. In today's lecture we will do some experiment also, or the labs, the programs we will perform live in the lectures, in between the lectures. So see them carefully and use that code in the labs, and do the programming by yourself as well. We have discussed this thing. Let's directly come to the topic. As the first one is to make a text bold or strong. To make a text bold, we have a tag B, and it's a pair tag. B tag always come with its companion tag B clause. As same the strong. This is the example of this tag. Let's perform this in the this is the same as on your screen. This is the program we have taken. Now look, this is the normal text, and this will the tag with B tag. Now look at this. This is the programming as well. अब आगे से जितने भी हम लेक्चर्स करेंगे उसमें जो मोस्टली हमारे पास कोड्स होंगे, प्रोग्राम्स होंगे, उनको हम ऐसे ही एक्सपेरिमेंट तौर पर आपको दिखाते हुए चलेंगे, या आपको उनको हम अप्लाई करते हुए चलेंगे. द नेक्स्ट वन इज इटैलिक्स. You will know what is italics. The tag for italics is tag I, and it's always come with its companion tag I close. This is the, and this is the code of that. Now take this code, put in, and just look at the output. The text will appear in italics. The next one is underline. The tag for underline is tag U. The Linux type U. This is the tag U. We will take it, and it's always come with its companion tag, that is U close. Now we will perform this code as same. Take this code, come to the output. Now this is the output. Clear? The next one is text highlighting. Highlight the text as when we read books and notes, etc. There is an instrument with us that is marker, highlighter with us that highlight the important things. For this, we have a tag that is mark tag, and it always come with its companion tag that is mark close. Now, this is the code. Take it. And now check the output like this. This is the normal text shown here, and this is the highlighted text that is here. The color, the highlighter color is by default yellow. We can change this color also by using CSS. In some video, I have provided to you this. The next one is striking through or delete any text. This is the code. Everything written within del delete tag, this will perform a delete option on the text. Take it. Come to the output like this. See this. This is the normal text. This is the normal text, and this is the text with delete tag. This is shown in on the screen. Clear? Now we have a different tag as when you have to use any comment in your program, and you don't want to show that particular text on the output, then you must have to use these tags. This is open, is the one single tag. These three dots are any text you can put here. The open angle bracket, exclamatory sign, and two times hyphens. This is the comment tag. As take it, put it anywhere in the body as this, like this. This is also mentioned in this. This is the comment tag. We have put this in our program, but if we check the output, then this is not shown in the output. Text in normal and text in delete, these things are not in output because this uses comment tag. Clear? Everything written within these will not be appear on the output. Clear this thing? This is all done for this lecture. Perform these codes in lab and format your tags.